Welcome to a how-to video on how to create peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Today our specialist Adam Fufa trekking through the desert.
Look at this dude.
Adam only uses the finest ingredients for his peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. For the jelly, he must go into the deepest oasis and search for naturally grown wild jelly. This beautiful jelly was formed when two ancient rivers collided, merging their power in powerful being. This jelly is grown from 4 scrumptious fruits, with 0 grams of protein and fat. Next, Adam must go to the deepest and darkest part of the desert to get the smooth peanut butter. This peanut butter was created when an almighty being touched down from the heavens and blessed the ground below him, creating this whole earth smooth peanut butter. The legendary bread is the most priceless part of the sandwich, magically forged by the great bread people from the deepest caves of the earth. Once you have all of these ingredients, the next part is simple. First you take the bread and put it on your blessed table. Then you take your butter knife and spread the peanut butter on one slice. Second, take your jelly and peacefully spread it on your second slice. Next, take your 2 slices and gently put it together. Lastly, take your sandwich and carefully put it in the microwave and set it for high heat for 10.36 minutes. And voila, your perfect peanut butter and jelly sandwich. The peanut butter and jelly sandwich will make you live 13 years longer. Its majestic superiority over you inferior beings makes it smooth and tasty. As Adam took a bite, he realized that peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are banned in schools worldwide.